How to enable vibration in Horror Theme 3. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable it. First of all, open the application. Now here on the third option, you can see settings. Simply tap on settings. Now these are the settings option or settings interface. Here you'll be able to customize your settings. Here on the bottom, you can see this vibration button. So simply tap it or tick it. So make sure that it is checked and it will give you a vibration in the game. So it is a game related to horror. Now if you want a higher experience and a better experience, make sure you turn it on. So when the enemies come or when there are different obstacles, there will be different type of vibration and it will give you a thrill too. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.